No, it's done. It won't start.
Are you serious? I told you to fix this car, but instead you wanted to fix the other one.
Sorry.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
Alright, well, nothing we can do about it now, so let's just go inside and see if anybody's there.
Get away from me.
Alright, let's go and see if we can find anybody. Hello? Hello? Anybody home? Hello? Anybody home? Whoa. Dang. Better not touch that, they might get mad. Here, we probably should get out of here.
You just touched it.
Sorry. We probably should just get out of here. Hello? Hello?
I don't think anyone's here.
Well, let's just take a look around anyways. Maybe we'll find something that can help us. Maybe. Hello? Let's go over there. I'm gonna go take a look in the attic. Hello? Maybe they have something cool up here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god!
What are you trying to do? Get us all killed?
No, I'm getting us out of here.
This car, but instead you wanted to fix it.
Your servant died. Will you give it to me? It seems what's left of my